got lucky finding a dry spot of grass after all the rain we've been having recently.
True. I'm just glad that the sun is actually out today. I think hiding the wine in our water bottle was one of our best ideas yet. Do you want to sip?
No, I'm not in the mood for any wine right now. What kind did you get anyways?
I figured we would want some white wine with our ham sandwiches, carrots, and hummus that we made. Is that okay?
No, I'm fine with the white. I just remember that you were saying that you wanted the red wine last week or so.
Well, I did, but I wasn't sure if that's what you wanted to drink today.
I told you multiple times I don't care what we drink today. Hey, I heard back from the job at the grocery store that I applied to last week.
And any good news?
They said that they couldn't afford any extra workers with the pandemic going on. Too much risk, I guess.
Why didn't you tell me, John?
I didn't want to worry you. Things are already hard enough with these summer MBA classes and trying to get a job for when I graduate next year.
Well, something will come up. At least you have time now to focus on your classes.
Yeah. Are those the sandwiches that I made this morning?
Yes. Do you want it now?
Sure, I'll take one now.
Okay. Do you want me to cut it up?
No, that's okay. I'll eat mine just the way it is. Unless you want to cut it up.
Do you want squares or triangles?
I really don't care. A sandwich is a sandwich, regardless of the shape.
Oh, I know. I just wasn't sure if you had a preference. I'm just trying to be nice.
Well, I'll let you pick what shape you want to cut them into. I'll eat it and be fine either way.
Okay.
Here. You should have some of the wine. I seem to be drinking it a little fast.
Jeez, this thing is already half empty. What happened to it?
I don't know. I guess I got a little carried away with it. I got anxious from our argument about the whole red versus white thing.
Why would talking about the type of wine I wanted stress you out?
It doesn't. Well, it does. Look. I'm trying to my hardest to make this meal special for you. I'm sorry. I wanted to be sure you got the wine that you wanted.
The type of wine didn't matter to me at all. I just wanted to share it with you.
It didn't matter to me either.
Okay, then so what's the issue?
The sandwiches look good.
Yeah, they are. Thank you for making them.
I think I messed mine up.
Oh?
Yeah, I just forgot to put the tomatoes on like I did with yours.
Well, do you want mine? I really wouldn't mind.
No, it's okay. I really don't need the tomatoes anyways.
John, you're allowed to take the tomatoes from me.
I know, Pax, but I made the sandwich that way for you to enjoy it on our anniversary. I messed mine up, and that's my fault. I gotta deal with it and not let it ruin yours.
Me giving you my tomato wouldn't ruin the sandwich, John. I want you to have it. Either way, the sandwich you made is delicious.
No, it's fine. I'll be fine with this.
John, you don't have to punish yourself for forgetting to put a tomato on your fucking sandwich. That's just stupid.
It's not just the tomato though. I just messed up the whole meal with the wine thing, and I wasn't decisive enough just to let you know what I want.
Are we really going back to the wine thing again? I thought we figured that one out. I told you it wasn't that big of a deal for either of us, so what's the point arguing about it? Besides, it seemed like you liked it enough to drink half of the entire thing anyway.
What the hell is that supposed to mean?
I'm saying you grow up and forget about the wine thing.
I can't get over Pax. It ruined everything.
Okay, John. If you're upset about the tomatoes and some wine, then I think I'm done here.
So you're just going to leave the sandwich that I was kind enough to make you?
Yeah, I am. You claim to have ruined it all anyway, so what's the point?
I'm just trying to let you know how I'm feeling, Pax.
How you feel? You've been going back and forth over dumb shit. You know what? I'm leaving.
Okay, then fine. More for me.
Enjoy.
That's the scene.